आज हेट्रो एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे। इसके पहले जो लेक्चर था उसमें होमोन्यूक्लियर डायटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन था। मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ होमोन्यूक्लियर डायटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल like N2, N2-1, N2-2 or N2 plus. Exactly, you can give electronic configuration of O2, O2-1, O2-2, O2 plus. So all these. Now today we shall discuss about the electronic configuration of heteronuclear diatomic molecule. So this is the hydrogen and fluorine. Both atoms are different atoms. So what type of the electronic configuration in molecular orbital will take place? Now what you have to understand, कॉमन मिस्टेक जो लड़के करते हैं वो ये करते हैं कि लिखते जाएंगे सिग्मा 1 या सिग्मा स्टार 1 या सिग्मा 2 या फिर इलेक्ट्रॉन करो। नो, you have to understand there is a hydrogen atom containing only one electron in 1s orbital. This is the fluorine atom, this is the F atom. So fluorine atom atomic number 9, 2 electron in 1s atomic orbital, 2 electron in 2s atomic orbital, and 5 electron in 2p orbital, like 2ps, 2py and 2pz. So if there is only one atomic orbital of the hydrogen, it will overlap to only one atomic orbital of the fluorine. Not all. It cannot overlap upon this. It cannot overlap upon this. Because there is a condition for overlapping. Energy should be equal or nearly equal. 1. Second thing, symmetry may be similar. Then and only then overlapping of the atomic orbital is possible. So in this way, one atomic orbital of the hydrogen cannot over all atomic orbitals of the fluorine, and these atomic orbitals are inside, and so no question. So only one overlapping, 1s atomic orbital of the hydrogen overlap upon 2pz atomic orbital of the fluorine, and we get a sigma molecular orbital known as 1s-pz. Here 1s for the atomic orbital of the hydrogen, 2pz, this is the atomic orbital of the fluorine. So all these two form a sigma molecular orbital 1s-pz 2 electron. Now see, these unbonded or these atomic orbitals are pure orbital. They could not combine because there is no another orbital for overlapping. So these are put as such, pure, not pi, not pi. Don't forget, this is not the pi orbital, it is the pure pi orbital. तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 2px का यहाँ लिख दिया, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 2py का यहाँ लिख दिया, और यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है. So in this way, this is the molecular orbital diagram, MO diagram of HF. This is the MO diagram of the HF, and this is the electronic configuration. ये atomic orbital, ये atomic orbital pure. This is the molecular orbital. This is atomic molecular orbital, and atomic orbital. In this way, in examination, If Yammo diagram of HF is asked, you have to show like this. So this is all about the molecular orbital diagram of the HF. Exactly, you can also explain molecular orbital diagram of the HCl. Now these are different uh, molecules having different electronic configuration. Now let us come to the another heteronuclear diatomic molecule like NO. Let us discuss another type of the molecule hetero diatomic molecule R ion or ion. Like this is the heteroatomic molecule and this is the heteroatomic molecule ion. So how we can represent the electronic configuration? So see here electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. NO number of the electron 8 7 15 15 electrons. Now 15 electron, it is a molecule more than 14, so you have to follow above order as per order of the oxygen molecule. ऑक्सीजन में जो ऑर्डर है मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल का वही ऑर्डर फॉलो होगा. तो इसके लिए हम लिखेंगे सिग्मा 1s2 सिग्मा स्टार 1s2 सिग्मा 2s2 सिग्मा स्टार 2s2 सिग्मा 2pz 2 पाई 2px इक्वल टू पाई 2py 2 2 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and here pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py 1 electron and 0 electron. So this is the electronic configuration of NO molecule. Now what is the electronic configuration of NO plus? NO plus number of electron 14 electron. 1 electron has been removed from nitrogen, not from oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it is not possible to remove electron from oxygen. So 1 electron. LT you can say it is the NO ion. So how we can distribute electron in different molecular orbitals of the NO plus ion? So you can write here sigma 1 s 2 sigma star 1 s 2 sigma 2 s 2 sigma star 2 s 2 sigma 2 pz 2 पाई 2px बराबर पाई 2py 2 and here pi star 2px बराबर pi star 2py. There was 1 electron in NO and 1 electron has been removed from outer molecular orbital, that is 2 pi 2px star. So this electron has been removed So it is 0. So this is the electronic configuration of NO plus. Now what is the bond order? Bond order of NO. NO में कितने बॉन्ड हैं? So bond order of NO you can calculate 2 bonding, 2 bonding 4, 2 bonding 6, 8, 10. So there are 10 bonding electrons. So 10 minus how many anti-bonding electron? 2, 2 and 1. So 5 anti-bonding electrons, and therefore you can say 2.5 bond. So in case of NO, you can very easily calculate the number of the bond, where number of bond 2.5. Now what is the magnetic character of the NO? Magnetic character. Magnetic character. Magnetic character. Already I have told you that if the molecule, any molecular of the molecule may have 1, 2, 3, 4 unpaired electron. There is one electron. So therefore it is unpaired and it is paramagnetic. 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 So yellow is paramagnetic. Now let us consider the bond order of NO. Bond order of NO plus. NO plus. So there are how many electrons? 10 electrons in bonding. 10 electrons in bonding. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So there are 10 electrons in bonding molecular orbital and only 4 electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So it is 3. Now, what is the magnetic behavior? You see there is no unpaired electron in NO plus molecule ion. इसके अंदर कोई अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है, इसलिए ये क्या है? डायामैग्नेटिक. Diamagnetic. So in this way you can calculate bond order. Now, can you imagine which one is more stable? NO plus and NO. जिसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ज्यादा होगा वो ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा, जिसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कम होगा वो कम स्टेबल होगा. So here, look here, bond order of NO plus 3 diamagnetic in nature, bond order of NO 2.5 paramagnetic in nature. So this molecule ion NO plus is more stable than NO molecule. So in this way, in examination, if it has been asked, you can write. Just I can show you the molecular orbital diagram. So I show you the electronic configuration of NO molecule and NO plus ion. So what is the molecular orbital diagram of the NO molecule? So in NO molecule, you have to show how different atomic orbitals of the nitrogen and different atomic orbitals of the oxygen combine together forming molecular orbitals like bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. One thing one should always remember that more electronegative atoms are taken at the right hand side. ऐसा आप नहीं लिख सकते हो कि वो यहाँ लिखी है या यहाँ लिखे. नो, ये कन्वेंशन है कि जो ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम हेट्रो में होगा, हेट्रो न्यूक्लियर मॉलिक्यूल में होगा, तो ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम को हम दाहिने साइड में दिखाएंगे. So 1s atomic orbital of the nitrogen, 2s atomic orbital of the nitrogen, 2p atomic orbital of the nitrogen. These are the like this. These are the atomic orbitals of the oxygen. So 1s atomic orbital nitrogen combined with the 1s atomic orbital of oxygen forming the bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital, and these atomic orbital form sigma molecular orbital, either bonding or anti-bonding, and each molecular orbital contains 2 electrons as per Pauli-Sturgeon principle. ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गया. Exactly 2s atomic orbital of the nitrogen atom combined with the 2s atomic orbital of the oxygen atom and form sigma 2s molecular orbital and sigma star 2s atomic molecular orbital. So electrons, 4 electrons are distributed to here, to here. In this way, this much has been done. Now come to the order of this. I have told you that more than molecule, not ion, molecule having more than 14 electron, sigma molecular, sigma 2pz molecular has lower energy than pi 2px and pi 2py. Energy of pi 2px, pi 2py are equal. So therefore they are written as like this. So here these orbitals, p orbitals of the nitrogen combined with the p orbitals of the oxygen forming sigma molecular orbital and pi molecular orbital like this. So sigma pz, sigma 2pz means this 2pz atomic orbital of oxygen and 2pz atomic orbital of the nitrogen combined to form molecular orbital represented as sigma 2pz. So there are 2 electrons. Exactly these 2 atomic orbital and these 2 atomic orbital combined together giving the pi molecular orbital, because there is a lateral combination, or you can say lateral overlapping of the atomic orbital. So in this way 5 molecular orbitals are formed containing 2 electrons in each molecular orbital. There is 1 electron rest, and that electron will go into the anti-bonding molecular orbital of the 2px, and 2py contain no electron. In this way you can represent the molecular orbital diagram of the NO. So basically you can show the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz here, and pi 2px बराबर pi 2py, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, 2 electron, and here pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, 1 electron, 0 electron. In this way, what has been written here, that has been plotted in the form of the molecular orbital energy level, that is called as the molecular orbital diagram. So in this way you try to draw molecular orbital diagram of the CO molecule, also HCl molecule, and different types the ions like oxygen molecule ion -1, -2, in this way. In this way, we shall complete the electronic configuration. Now, in next lecture, we shall discuss about the band theory. About the band theory. band theory of the we shall discuss. So band theory of metallic band, metals are good conductor of electricity, metals are good conductor of heat, they are hard, high melting point, low volatility, ductile character, metallic luster, malleable in nature. So these are the very good character and useful in our daily life, and therefore we should know at least what type of the bonding take place within the metallic items. Usual type of the bonding is not present in metal. मेटल में जो हम बॉन्डिंग जानते हैं, आयनिक बॉन्ड, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, वंडरवाल टाइप, no, not like that. So what type of the bonding exist in metals or in solids of different type, metallic type? So we shall discuss, and the discussion is based over molecular orbital theory. Band theory is discussed in the term of molecular orbital theory. As we know, metals are good conductor because conduction band and valency band are very close, or they overlap upon each other. So they are very easy to transit electron from valence band to conduction band, and therefore current can flow easily. So we also discuss about the semiconductor having Fermi level very near to conduction band and valency band, and in case of insulator we have a large gap which is known as the energy gap Eg between conduction band and valency band. So we shall discuss after having a clear concept of the band theory, that is the dependent on molecular orbital theory. So thank you. कल बात हम लोग